Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your gummy bears giant. Start by choosing a large mold and measure gelatin precisely, then warm the mixture gently until dissolved. Add concentrated flavor and color slowly to avoid overpowering the candy. Pour into molds and cool undisturbed until fully set, then unmold carefully to preserve shape. I will guide you through timing, texture checks, and simple fixes for sticky or cloudy results. Gather unflavored gelatin or pectin, a sweetener like glucose syrup, concentrated flavoring, and food coloring. Use a digital scale for precise ratios and a candy thermometer to monitor temperature accurately. A fine sieve prevents lumps, and flexible silicone molds make unmolding easier. Prepare trays for cooling and an absorbent towel for small spills. With the right tools on hand, the rest of the process becomes predictable and fun. Even when bloom your gelatin in cold liquid, then heat with sugar and syrup just until everything dissolves. Avoid boiling to keep clarity. Stir in flavor and color after removing from heat, tasting cautiously since concentrations change with size. Pour slowly into prepared molds to prevent air bubbles and tap gently to release trapped air. Chill the molds until firm, then unmold on a cool surface and store in an airtight container to maintain texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.